What exactly makes an organization a nonprofit, and how do they function differently from a standard business? A nonprofit is an entity organized for a public or social benefit rather than to generate private profit for owners. The most common type is the 501c3, which allows the organization to be exempt from federal income tax on mission-related activities. Nonprofits do not have owners. Any money left over at the end of the year must be reinvested into the organization's mission. While for-profit companies aim to maximize returns for owners, nonprofits focus entirely on their stated charitable or social goals. Nonprofits often earn revenue through services or goods, not just donations. This helps them sustain their operations over time. Even without a profit motive, these organizations must manage budgets carefully to remain effective and compliant with IRS rules. Understanding nonprofits helps you make informed choices about where you donate. Thanks for watching and stay curious.